They say that behind every successful man, there's a woman, right? That's usually what has been said. We will turn that around. Behind all of the successful women here, giving everybody a platform to talk on and to connect with each other, we have a man, and that is Mr. Talees Rizvi. He's the director of Indian Conventions. So can we have a loud applause? Come on, ladies. Yes, come on, can we have a loud applause for him? It's because of him that we all have gathered in here today.
I would
Okay.
like to add a little. It's
Hello.
not only one man. There are a couple of men out here who made it possible. So please don't leave them out.
Okay, so that's the Indian Conventions team.
I'll just name them as well. This is Abbas, and most of you would have been speaking to Satish. Satish just turned around, and Faizan. So they made it possible. And this was conceived 3 years back, and Satish has been like, okay, sir, we must continue this. And it has happened today. Thanks a lot for being here.
Thank you, Talees. Okay, so for the mementos at first request, the first memento we're giving away to Rotarian Urmila Sudhir Prabhu. And along with the memento, we also have a special gift. We have Aparna Sharma's book to be given away. Come on, keep the applause going on. It feels wonderful. Let me tell you, when you come up here and you're taking an award or you're, getting a memento and you feel, you see everybody applauding, it really feels nice, and you can hear that from me. So please keep applauding. And I request Dr. Krupa Torne to please come forward. Miss Anushri Srivastava. Is she here? Okay. Come on, keep the applaud going on. Yes, we now have Dr. M. Rajni. Come on, keep the applause going on, guys and girls. All right. Ma'am has brought a small honor for Mr. Talees. That is what. Yes, could you please applaud for him too? That's the magic of giving, Talees. When you're giving, you also get in return. Next, we have Miss Shonali Shomnath Datta. Come on, please keep the applause going on. Miss Miss Nisha Zaveri. Yes, keep the applause going on while she walks up on stage. Now that everybody has been mentioning that, clapping hands makes you so healthy, I think one healthy lot to walk out of this room. Yeah, we've all turned yoga professionals. And to Miss Nabamita Mazumdar. Yes, please keep the applause going on. She walks in from that side.
You have to give this one out. That will do. वो सबसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
All right. So we now move forward for the awards and the recognition. And since one member she has to leave, so we're giving the recognition first to her. And she is from the team of the Yog Vinyasa Institute. Her name is Miss Mamta Kevadia. And as you all know that they have achieved an excellence in yoga by doing 1008 Surya Namaskars. Being yoga professionals, I think the energy should be coming from all of you. You should cover the whole applaud for the entire room. Come on. And, had she not been in the attire that she is right now, I would have asked her to do the Surya Namaskars. And in fact, for everybody. But I see you all are so beautifully dressed in saris. I can't ask you that. You can make me do that. Okay, now they get the role of the teacher. Not me, I'm wearing a skirt. Okay, so moving further. Moving on for the awards. And I see IWC is awarding the Women Achievers. So we have the Women Achiever Award 2018. And this goes to the Woman Achiever in the Pediatric Neurology. Going to Dr. Krupa Torne, Consultant Pediatric Neurologist, Surya Children's Hospital, Healthcare, the industry healthcare. Dr. Krupa Torne is a super specialist who has been internationally trained in the field of pediatric neurology. She is an invaluable editorial board member of Journal of Neuroscience and Brain Imaging in London, UK.
So much. Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you so much. I'm so overwhelmed by your love and affection. I would like to dedicate this award to my parents, to my husband, and to my mother-in-law who are around here. Dr. Manish Torne, could you kindly wave your hand so that you are acknowledged, your presence is acknowledged? And can I request my mother-in-law to just come here? Our relationship is fantastic. She's not my mother-in-law, but she's my mother. बहू बन के आ गई लेकिन बेटी बन के इनके घर में रह गई. I could only complete my super specialty training just because of her. 1.5 years back, I went to Birmingham Children's Hospital, leaving behind my 2 daughters. And obviously they are tiny, but then the entire responsibility of my home was taken by my mother. She's the youngest member of our family, 75 plus, but so enthusiastic. And she looked after our house for entire 1 year, and I could complete my international fellowship in Birmingham Children's Hospital. That is one of the tertiary care center in UK and one of the rare center disease center in the rare disease in the entire world. And I could gain extra knowledge because of support of my family and obviously my husband, who was always there for me. I could only achieve this success only after marriage because of support of my wonderful family. Can I request Dr. Torne to be here, please? I mean, videoing we can do later. They say that there is a woman behind, abhi humne suna, there is a woman behind every successful man. I would say I have a man behind my success and a wonderful lady, obviously. So thank you very much. When I was called here to deliver a lecture for this session, I thought this is the right time for me to come and give this session, as I have 2 daughters and I obviously refer them to as my facilitators, and I could complete this journey just because of them and just because of my family and not otherwise. So my sincere vote of thanks to all of you, and a big thank you to all of you for listening patiently. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. The woman an entrepreneur in architectural interiors and landscaping. That's the next award, and this goes to Mrs. Jakruti Kotavade. She's the owner of JK Associates, the industry, architecture and design. Yes, come on, where's the applause? She's a commercial and residential interior designer, done diploma in interior designing after marriage, and developed and molded self for designing corporate projects for Infosys Tata Asset Management. She's an expert in architecture, interior and landscaping, recently received the Rashtriya Mahila Gaurav Puruskar.
Thank you so much. I would like to invite my husband because he's my backbone, my strength, my better half. Without him, not possible for me. Thank you.
Yes, could we have the loud applause for her man? Thank you so much. The next award is going to the Inspirational Polymath Award, and that is going to Dr. Kulijit Uppal, the image scientist and CEO at Kriya. She is a Bharat Book of Records and an India Book of Records winner. She is also qualified pilot and All India chairperson for image management. She has a prolific educationist. She's an author and a curriculum specialist. And she's the first image scientist.
Hi everyone, one more time. I'm sorry, I was coming in from Pune, so I was delayed. I missed all the fun, I think, in the morning and post-lunch session. I was here. Just want to say thank you very much to the entire team at the IWC. Thank you very much for all that affection and care and all of that. It's always wonderful to be with women. And yes, my journey of the last 30 years, I've been at work and gathered a little bit of baggage, as has just been mentioned, right from aviation as a pilot, moving into advertising, creative director, and then into media, and then IT, education, and today, of course, I'm an entrepreneur. I have a PhD, 4 master's degrees, and lots of other certifications. But apart from that, I think my world today is all about image. And yes, I am the first and only image scientist in the world right now, and I have been acknowledged by, as she said, the Bharat Book of World Records, Asia Book of Records, India Book of Records, and of course, the Prime Minister's office that has given me the pride of Maharashtra. So I'm very, very happy that in my journey, I've been doing all of that. But today, as a 50-plus lady, I think I'm just looking at being able to make that positive difference to women and the youth in my country that has made me what I am today. And I'm looking at going beyond geographical boundaries to other countries and making my difference in any which way that I can in terms of your image and what you project to the world. So I think kudos to all of you women. We are the army of Ma Durga, Shakti. And I think we are the true leaders when it comes to leadership with love, because what we have is our innate sense of love, care, commitment, concern, intelligence, all of that put together. And I think we can be fantastic at whatever we do. All you have to do is dare to dream. And here's wishing all of you, thank you very much. And I'm very honored to receive this award. Thank you once again. Thank you so much. I was going to keep it.
The next category, awareness about sanitary hygiene and distribution of sanitary napkins, and the award goes to Miss Shubhangi Dattatreya Zemze. Can we have a loud applause? Come on. I think this is really, really important to all of us here. Has spread across the awareness about sanitary hygiene and distribution of sanitary napkins. She has addressed the problems and ignorance and took the product to the doorsteps. So please, can we have a loud applause for her?
सबको नमस्ते. थैंक यू फॉर इंडियन वुमेन कन्वेंशन अवार्ड के लिए मुझे सिलेक्ट किया है. इसकी शुरुआत मैं अभी बता दिया मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन में कि 20 साल से मैं सोशल वर्क करती हूँ और इसकी शुरुआत मेरे हस्बैंड से हुई है. मैं प्लीज़ उनको बुलाना चाहती हूँ आप कि इन्होंने रिजर्वेशन जो मैं एक्स कारपोरेटर हूँ, रिजर्वेशन कोटा में इन्होंने मुझे खड़ा किया 20 साल पहले और वहाँ से मेरी सोशल वर्क की जर्नी शुरुआत हो गई. मैंने अलग अलग इस पे काम किया है. मैंने डायरेक्टर पेंट कोऑपरेटिव अर्बन बैंक पे मैं 8 साल डायरेक्टर का काम किया है. उसके बाद सोशल वर्क करते करते मैं रोटरी की प्रेसिडेंट थी. लास्ट ईयर मैं असिस्टेंट गवर्नर थी. असिस्टेंट गवर्नर के टाइम पे वो साल में हमने हाइजीन के लिए ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस दिया और बेटी बचाओ के लिए मैं ज़्यादा काम करती हूँ. तो बेटियों के लिए मैं जो काम करती हूँ तो सैनिटरी नैपकिन वेंडिंग मशीन्स जो निकला नया लास्ट ईयर, तो 25 स्कूल को मैंने फ्री में बिठा दिया, जिसका कॉस्ट 50,000 है। और रोटरी और इधर उधर से सबके कलेक्ट करके पैसा मैंने वो बिठा दिया सब स्कूल के लिए, और हमारे ग्रामीण स्कूल में ज़्यादा करके और अवेयरनेस फैलाया। और इसके लिए इन्होंने नॉमिनेशन पे हाइजीन का लिया है, और रियली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी सबका जिन्होंने मुझे सिलेक्ट किया है। शुक्रिया सबके लिए। आपको और एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं जब अभी रोटरी का नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए डायरेक्टर के पोस्ट पे मैं हूँ, तो उसके लिए सर्वाइकल कैंसर का ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट है हमारा। इंटरनेशनल ग्रांट आता है, हम मंगाते हैं, वो नियर अबाउट 6 करोड़ का वो प्रोजेक्ट है, उसके ऊपर मैं काम कर रही हूँ। और वो सर्वाइकल कैंसर अपने लेडीज़ के लिए है, 9 to 14 ईयर्स के गर्ल्स के लिए वो लस दिया जाता है। एक अवेयरनेस के लिए मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि जो लस देते हैं उसका कॉस्ट है 7,000, आई थिंक 7,000 कॉस्ट है, डॉक्टर आपको पता होगा। और वो एक देने के बाद 6 मंथ के दूसरा देना, 2 देना पड़ता है, लस बोलते जैसे। तो उसका हम रोटरी की तरफ से 2000 में 20,000 गर्ल्स को फ्री में देने का प्रयास है हमारा। और इसके लिए मैं काम कर रही हूँ CSR डिपार्टमेंट से, और अलग अलग कंपनियों से भी मैं अप्रोच करती हूँ। और आप सब उसके पीछे, आपको नेक्स्ट ईयर में आपको ये कर दूंगी कि आप हमारे साथ आ जाएंगे। और सर्वाइकल कैंसर, क्योंकि इंडिया में कैंसर लेडीज़ के लिए ज़्यादा होता है, सब लेडीज़ को ज़्यादा कैंसर के पेशेंट है थ्रू आउट। मेरी बेटी अभी जस्ट आई है, प्लीज़ प्रियंका कम हियर, एंड प्रणव ऑल्सो कम हियर। शी इज़ डूइंग एक्टिंग इन फिल्म एंड टेलीविजन एंड फिल्म, तो अभी जस्ट शूटिंग करके जस्ट आई है। प्रियंका प्लीज़ कम, कीप योर बैग। वो मॉम के लिए बेचारी दौड़ते जस्ट आई है। वेलकम प्रियंका, जस्ट उसका शूटिंग कंप्लीट हुआ अभी। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच। तो सर्वाइकल कैंसर के लिए और लड़कियों के लिए ये जो काम है, तो आप सबको सबका सपोर्ट चाहिए उसके लिए। एंड थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Before I move forward for the next award, I'm sure everybody who's, we're receiving an award, it's a really special moment, and you want to share a lot of emotions, but due to the paucity of time, many of our friends here in this room, they have traveled from different places, from different cities, and they have to head back. So we had a time of 5:30. Let's, stick to the time. Not, 1-2 sentences. Please express as much you can in minimum words, so we can know your expression. As I think one of our speakers said, you can just say, "I deserve it." Okay. So the next category is the modular furnitures and kitchen interiors, and this award goes to Miss Krisha Gaba, and she is the principal designer, Sketch at The Style. Could we have a loud applause for her? I request the style that's formed by Mrs. Kusha has designed an approach in the modularity of design, time and style, with modular furnitures and kitchen concepts. The principal designer of Sketching Studio graduated from SNET University, and it's been rooted in Mumbai at Juhu.
This is the most memorable event in my whole professional career. I thank IWC for giving me this platform, and thanks God, thanks my family, my son, but the reality is I deserve this. Thank you.
That's lovely. Thank you so much. And one more request to all the award winners, that you could please stay back, because at the end we would have one entire group picture that we can use on our social media. Okay, so please stay back.
So my request is, let's not make it a film स्पीच जैसा कि सब लोग बोलते हैं टीवी पे जाके स्टेज पे बोल के, आपको जो भी बोलना है वो डीडीएस कर दीजिए डायरेक्ट दिल से एक सेंटेंस भी बोलेंगे तो सब समझ जाएंगे, राइट? सो दैट विल मेक इट ब्रीफ.
Okay, so the next category is Women Achiever Award for contribution in the field of creative paintings, the industry's art and culture, and this goes to Miss Srilata Maladi, the creative painting artist. Could we have a loud applause for her, please? Short and sweet. The next category is Women Achiever for contribution in the field of e-commerce, and this goes out to Miss Anushri Srivastava, the CEO and co-founder of Zivesta. Could we have a round of applause for her? You've already been introduced to her. She's a successful leader.
I've earned it and I'm awesome and I'm extraordinary. Just one line about my founder and director, Rajan Dang, who's been mentoring me and coaching me. So if I follow my leader, I'm going to be another leader. That's one liner for all of you.
Thank you so much. The next category is the Women Achiever Award for Socio-Legal Awareness, the Industry Legal, going out to Advocate Geetanjali Kadate. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause. And she's an advocate and a founder partner of GK Legal. She helps clients navigate the increasingly complicated legal and regulatory world. She has awarded the Best Advocate Award by the Anna Saheb Magar Social Foundation. Can we have a loud applause from here too?
Thank you, IWC, and I deserved it. And many more to come.
Thank you. Thank you. The next category is Excellence in Recruitment, Placement and Training, CSR, the Industry Training and Development for Higher Education, and this goes out to Ms. Anshul Sharma, Director for Evolve Business School. She's an achiever having 20 plus years of professional working experience with corporates in the education industry. She's a national level judo player and has represented her native state in Rajasthan in the National Open Judo Championships. She has been felicitated and recognized by various organizations in the Indian society.
Thank you so much. Thank you all. Only one thing again, see, being an educationist, थोड़ी आदत होती है lecture देने की, but very sweet and crisp message I would say to all of you. See, lots been said about women empowerment, women regard and all, but one thing I think we need to educate our children, to daughters, that yes, whenever, wherever they are going, they should adopt the culture, because with the empowerment, lots of cases are there wherein they are misusing the powers. And on the other side, we need to educate our sons that they need to respect women and how they need to deal with the daughters of other parents. So please, whichever way you can do that, I'm trying my level best with my kids, with my two sons. And it's very tough because these days, the generation that it's an computer age, and all these kids they need some justification, scientific reasons for everything. So again, my request, so please try giving education, because education does not mean only degrees. Education imparts with the values. So please stick to our values, because somewhere I feel being with the youngsters these days that we are losing our values and we are just running here and there after certain other values. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. The next category for Women Achiever Award for Quality Service in Field of Corporate Training and Development, Industry Training and Development, and the award goes to Miss Nisha Zaveri, the founder and director of Fortuna Image Management. Could we have a loud applause for her? We have heard her speak, and she's an effective communicator with strong mentoring, relationship management, and interpersonal skills.
Yeah, I deserve it. Thank you, IWC, and thank you, my dear husband, Jay, because of, we have to thank each and every person in our life, isn't it? And of course, we deserve it. Thank you.
Well, that's the strength of a woman also. Though we know we don't need anybody else, but we do. But that's for every individual. We do need, and I was having a discussion, and I've learned that, whatever we know it from somebody else. We don't just know things just like that, it's not given to us, but we know it from somebody else. So somebody has given and supported us in every small little way. So yes, a thank you for everybody who supports. The next category is the academic contribution in field of biotechnology, industry, higher education, and the award goes to Dr. M. Rajani, the managing director and chairman and founder for Lakshyam Educare and Events Private Limited. Lot more in the world of education, in the field of education. So she's also given a little seat to all of us.
Thank you, IWC. I have taken a lot of awards, but this is something special for me, because in my school days, whenever I take awards, I had a beautiful warm hug from my teacher. And the second hug, as a speaker, I received from ma'am. And the third hug is now. Something special, ma'am, really. And I would like to dedicate this to my mother, and she's no more now. Last year, she passed away. And this is the book, I think, because it is in Tamil, and can you hold this? 77 Mothers Achievers of Tamil Nadu. Since it is in Tamil, I cannot give to somebody. I would like to give Charanya, who has come from Chennai, to read and see the mothers, how they suffered and how they overcome all the struggles, and they made the legends. And also my husband, I would like to dedicate. Obviously, I used to say that he is not supporting me, it's my complaint. But he says that wherever you are going, I'm allowing you. That is a real support for you. You should understand. So, too.
That's lovely. Congratulations.
You can see here in page number 219. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. The next category is extension of support to the underprivileged for critical healthcare. The industry is social work, and the award goes to Advocate Padma Divakar, IRS.
I am happy to announce that I am the eldest awardee, 70 plus. I am receiving this for helping others. That is why I am very much happy. Whomever in the Bombay, anybody is in need of any educational help, medical help, I am always there. Thank you. Thank you. These people have selected me, so I told I am the senior citizen awardee. Thank the entire group. God bless.
So, madam was telling me today that she only wears dark colors, chatak bhatak saris. Today she has come in plain sari.
We'd really want some inspiration for our golden years, you know. So thank you so much for wearing the style around. So we can also continue wearing our style when we are as young as you. The next category is the Fitness Influencer of the Year and the Industry Fitness and Beauty, which goes to Miss Madhumita, the Director and Fitness Expert, 2 Steps. Could we have a loud applause for her? She's been the leading fitness influencer known for her unique Zumba fitness programs. She has influenced a large community to enter fitness regime and has followers across to getting fit across the globe.
Thank you to IWC for this. Most importantly, I want to thank my husband for, yes, support to hai, but basically for respecting my views, my opinions and my decisions. And my 12-year-old son, who has always supported me and understood me, my profession, and has always given me the liberty to do whatever I wanted. So I would like to thank my husband and my son. And just one thing I want to sum up with is, तू खुद की खोज में निकल, तू किस लिए हताश है, तू चल तेरे वजूद की समय को भी तलाश है. Thank you everybody. This is just the beginning.
Thank you. The next category is HR Community Building Initiative. The industry is community building, and that goes to Miss Nabomita Mazumdar, the founder of Nabomita.com. You've heard her speak, and she has begun her career as an HR professional and grown to being the biggest social media influencer and has won a number of awards on the social media.
Thank you Indian Women Convention for the honor. Most importantly, I want to thank family, my teachers, everybody. There's something that I want to share. It was 2012 and that was an HR convention and I heard madam speaking, and a tigress. I mean, I was like in awe, right? And today when I received this, the award has a multiplied meaning to me. The hug and the honor that I received from her. When you receive an award from your own icon, you know how it feels, right? Goosebumps? Same here. Thank you so much for this.
The next category is the Women Achiever Award for the contribution in developing high quality educational institutions, the industry, education, and the award goes to Advocate Rubina Akhtar Hassan Rizvi, the director of the Rizvi Education Society. Could we have a loud applause for her, please? She's been doing social work for women empowerment. And to add, she also works in the High Court as an assistant to the Chief Public Prosecutor on the criminal side.
A very good evening to all of you. Thank you, IWC and Dr. Akhtar Hassan Rizvi, my beloved husband. It's an honor to be a part and on the stage to receive this wonderful award. Yes, I do deserve it because I'm a woman of India and we all are. Thank you.
Thank you. The next category, a woman empowered company in the industry retail. The award goes to Kaya Limited. And we have somebody to take the award. Kaya, as you know, is specialized in skin expertise and it offers expertise and expert service to its customers.
Thank you, IWC, and of course, it's a proud moment to collect this award on behalf of the organization. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Moving on, the next category for creative short film making on online media and the industry being film production. The award goes to Miss Arunima De, producer director, Digimax Creation. Could we have a loud applause for her, please? Mrs. She is the present owner of Digimax Creation, a unit of film production and consultancy. And during the course of time, several number of short films has been produced and directed, which are successfully running on YouTube. And she also has an experience of 15 years in the multinational companies as a deputy chief manager.
At first, I would like to thanks to my ma and baba and my sweet son Anurag De. And I am a big fan of Lord Jagannath. That's why Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath.
Thank you. The next category is the Young Woman Achiever Award for Generation of Support for Disabled and Children. The industry is social work. The award goes to Miss Sanchita Lekhi, the founder of the Healing Circles, Jaipur. She's a working master and expert in migraine, insomnia, asthma. She's currently pursuing her PhD in human studies to improve my understanding of life situations and life problems. She's an expert and a crystal therapist. She teaches meditation and chakra scanning.
I would like to thank Indian Women Convention 2018 for appreciating my contribution towards social work. I would just like to say this is not one person's job, this is like a team effort, and if we all can contribute a bit, we can really change the world. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next award is for the Woman Achiever for Excellence in Yoga 1008 Surya Namaskar. The industry is wellness and healthcare, and from I'd like the representatives to come forward from the Yoga Vinyasa Institute. We have few representatives from the institute. The rest are going to get their recognitions. So we also have every member is going to get a recognition, and for now we have Dr. Deepak Patel also here. Patel. We have Dr. Deepak Patel and a few of the members of the Yoga Vinyasa Institute and the women who have completed the 1008 Surya Namaskars.
Did a Limca Book of Records, and we would like to dedicate this award to yoga and to ourselves, because we have gone out of our way of careers and our homes and achieved this for our own selves. And the man behind the entire, achievement is Dr. Deepak Patel. It was his mission which has led us here. Thank you so much, everyone. And yes, the entire team of Yoga Vinyasa deserve this one.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mali.
I would just want to add one sentence to what she said, that we've achieved much before this. This is the epitome of our success, but this is just one more beginning. There's lots more to come from Yoga Vinyasa Institute. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And all the participants, could you raise your hands up? All of you, wow, this looks beautiful here. So hang on, we are going to have all of you here together to take a picture and to get your certifications also. So just be there. The next category is the Woman Achiever for Active Public Service, the Industry Social Work. The award goes to Miss Alice Perathil, and she's a member of the Maharashtra State Consumer Protection Council Mantralaya. Since 1985, she's been working as a loyal Congress woman for uplifting the underprivileged society and communities. Could we have a loud applause, please? She's a life member and First Lady of Kerala Catholic Association, Bombay registered since service, active member of the Lions Club of Bombay, and she's contributed relevant experience in human services and public welfare fields.
I am grateful and thankful to all the organizers of IWC, and of course I can't say I deserve it, but without me alone I can't win this award and all, because my family support and friends and social workers, I have to remember such time, otherwise they will feel very bad.
So as they say that success is because of everybody, failure is because of me. So when I take success, I'm definitely going to, tell everybody, yes, you have supported me. If it's a failure, it's only me. I take my entire responsibility. So that's what all the women here are doing. Oh, wow. That was so sweet, ma'am. Thank you so much. You deserve it. Thank you. The next category is the Women Achiever Award for contribution in executive coaching, and this goes to Miss Shonali Datta, the founder and CEO of Success Studios. Could we have a loud applause for her? We've also heard her speak.
Yeah, after hearing all those women speak over there and of course receiving these awards, it was just a phenomenal experience, and congratulations IWC on doing a phenomenal job of recognizing the Wonder Womans of India. This award dedicated to my family, my husband, my children, and especially to my mother, who has always stood by me. Thank you.
Thank you. The next category is Emerging Woman Author, the industry being English Literature, and the award goes to Miss Sharanya Balaji. She's an author, a biotech engineering graduate from Anna University, affiliated and in Chennai. And she has around 10 years of experience in IT industry as technology lead for quality assurance. Can we have the applause going on? She has worked for major industries also in various countries like UK, Scotland. She's authored a book named Ghosts of NH44, published on December 2017, and she's also working on a children book series.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. So the real empowerment comes from empowering others. So women empowerment is nothing but empowering others. So basically I come from Chennai. It's a very long distance, obviously. So I like to call my sister because she has been working nearly around 8 years and had been as a housewife for the last 2 years. And she had a belief that, okay, you go. It's like you need to apply and you need to check whether you at least get it nominated at least. So she had the belief in me that, okay, go on and try and I'll be with you. So the real empowerment is I'm already empowered because I always know I follow a protocol in my life, like I am doing this and that. Being a housewife, I like to empower my sister because she also needs to be empowered as a housewife. Thank you. I would love to say that everybody is an achiever. So since I know my sister, I'm saying I'm just empowering. I'm empowering everybody. From no age matter, like younger to the elder. It's not that below 10 years you cannot achieve, above 60 you cannot achieve. Everybody is an achiever in their own way. And I would like to thank my husband and my whole entire family, and especially my son who has left back. And I'm just little worried, but I'm okay. So thank you for this lovely evening. Thank you all.
Thank you so
I'm
much.
proud of you, Charanya.
Thank you. Thank you. The next category is the Women Achiever Award for supporting women empowerment and child education, the industry social work, and the award goes to Miss Rakhi Sunil. She has also received an award in the field of social work from the People's Arts Center. Currently, she is the General Secretary of the Samajam and the First Lady Secretary in the 55-year existence of the Samajam. Could you please have a loud applause for her? Come on, everybody.
Good evening, everyone. It's a great honor and privilege to be receiving this award amongst all the women achievers. And thank you, IWC, for this honor, because appreciation is very few, especially for the ladies. And once again, thank you. And this is, even doubly important for me and a privilege because I got an award along with my mom, Advocate Padma Divakaran. She is my mom. So I'm proud that I'm sharing and getting an award on the same platform as she does because I have a very big shoe to fill. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The next category is the Young Woman Achiever for Talent Acquisition Human Resource Consulting, the industry human resource. And the award goes to Miss Shreya Sheth Parmar, the Chief Talent Enthusiast at Higher Bright Consulting. Could we have a loud applause for her?
firstly, thank you so much, IWC, for honoring me with this. I would like to share one line of wisdom which my grandmother has always told me, and she was something who was very dear to my heart. So that one line of wisdom was, when you let go of what you are, when you let go of what you are, you become what you might be. I have always followed those line of wisdoms, and I think it's just because of that I have been able to achieve what I am. And lastly, I would dedicate this award to my family members, my mother, my mother-in-law, my father, my husband. I am what I am because of what you are. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And now in the line of awards, this is the last category. The contribution in women empowerment through skill development and self-employment. The award goes to Dr. Shivangi Zarkar, the founder and director, Born to Biz. She is certified image consultant for soft skills training professional, and she is a certified image consultant. Contributing to organizations in delivering industry-leading services in image consulting.
अंत भला तो सब भला. ओके तो कैसे है कि हिंदी फिल्म की तरह अंत में सब अच्छा हो जाता है. सबको अवार्ड मिल गए, बहुत सारे खुशियाँ सबके चेहरे पे हो गई है. I would like to tell you one thing. We all are achievers. We all are achievers. We all are same, but we are winner in our field. We are winner in our present. We are winner in our personal and professional life. And actually, as a trainer or as a business coach, I don't want to tell you anything, because teacher can teach rules, but winner can make rules, and we are winners. I would like to thank you, IWC, my parents, my mom especially, my sister Sonali, and Teen Devia, means 3 friends of my life. One, Puju, Amu, last but not least, backbone of my company from 10 years, Megha Pansare. Megha, please come down on your stage. Megha, please. This special actually thanks to Megha, because from MNC we left job and we started business, and from 10 years we are together as a bestie and as best partners in business. Thank you.
Thank you. And now it's time to recognize and to honor all those members from the Yog Vinyasa Institute, all the lady members here who have done the 1008 Surya Namaskars in 5 hours and 55 minutes. So I'm going to invite all of you on stage one by one. Please come forward and collect your... Yes, so you'd have to come and collect your certificate from us, and before that, let's have a quick AV from the Yog Vinyasa Institute.
Shivaya Namah.
see what the beautiful work this institute is doing towards yoga. I'd like to call on stage all the members from the Yoga Vinyasa Institute for the 1008 Surya Namaskar. So please welcome Himali Kapadia. Keep walking up on stage. And at the end, all of you together are going to have a group photograph, and then all the awardees in this room and we all together are going to have one picture. Bijal Maru, Bhairavi Mehta, Bhairavi Parekh, Simran Patel, Kajal Mehta, Komal Moore, Mimi Javeri, Namita Javeri, Navina Patel,
Shankara Namah Shivaya. Ambo Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Navina Patel, Alpa Patel,
Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Sudhipa Acharya,
Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Shiva Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Dhara Rathod,
Shivaya Namaha. Shivaya Namaha.
Renuka Nayak, Bijal Doshi, Rupali Goyal,
Let us stay like this and then the music from there. Just send the play for music.
Sangeeta Jivani, Purvi Singhala.
Namah Shivaya. Bolo Gambo Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Meena Master.
Bolo Arunachala Diva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Diva Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Anita Mehta.
Om Namah Shivaya.
And after that, could we have Seema Kane, Seema Seth and Vaishali Rathod to just be forward? That's Anita Mehta. Seema Kane.
Om Namah Shivaya. Bolo Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija
Seema Seth.
Namah Shivaya. Bolo Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Girija Shankara Namah Shivaya.
Vaishali Rathod.
Bolo Arunachala Diva Namah Shivaya. Arunachala Diva Namah Shivaya.
Suman Jawar. Pragya Bhaksar. Neelam Patil. Geeta Sanghare. Sabina Kazi. Naina Patel. Naina Patel. Mala Dubey. Nisha Dhone. Rukia, and she could manage and complete 500 Surya Namaskars. We have Chetna Bandeja, who did 625 Surya Namaskars. Thank you, and congratulations once again to all the Yoga Vinyasa Institute members for completing your 1008 Surya Namaskar. There's a special announcement for you. There's an international yoga contest, and you can register for it before the 31st of March. The contest is on the 4th and 6th of May. Yes, and this special contest is brought to you by Dr. Rajani. Let me tell you, the contest is at Delhi, and you could meet Dr. Rajni and you could take the details of this contest. Can I have all the yoga members in a very disciplined manner come forward for your group picture?
Okay. Yesterday. 1, 2, 3. One more. Ready? Okay, ready? 1 minute. Yes, ready?
Now, if the photo is over, kindly take your seat.
Ready?
Because I have to hand over
1, 2.
a memento
Excuse me.
to our chief
इधर
guest.
देखिए मैम, उधर क्या इधर देखिए, सामने देखिए. Ready? Yes, ready?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.